Yes. Answer Netherlands. Yes. Answer Poland. Yes. Answer Greece. Yes. Answer Denmark. Yes. Answer Norway. Yes. Answer Slovakia. Yes. Answer Slovenia. Yes. Answer Belgium. Yes. Answer Austria. Yes. Answer Hungary. Yes. Answer Czech Republic. Yes. Answer Ireland. Yes. Answer Romania. Yes. Answer Bulgaria. Yes. Answer Cyprus. Yes. Answer Malta. Yes. Answer Luxembourg. Yes. Answer Iceland. Yes. Answer Finland. Yes. Answer Estonia. Yes. Answer Latvia. Yes. Answer Lithuania. Yes. Answer Moldova. Yes. Answer Serbia. Yes. Answer Bosnia and Herzegovina.
Thanks for watching.